everyone. How's everybody doing? Well, I just had the dogs go ballistic at the door, and so I decided to go see what it was. It was 2 packages. So I thought, why not do an unboxing? Had no idea what it would be. One of them I still don't know what it is. But one of them was my Coach outlet. And y'all know that instead of bringing the boxes in here, zipping them open and all that, this is COVID-19, and I still am one of those people that's careful about boxes and letting them sit and wait. So I don't let them sit and wait anymore, but as soon as I open the outer box, I do wash my hands real good and everything, and just make sure that what I unbox is just really the bag that was inside, or whatever that experience is. For instance, the Hammitt box the other day was like so luxurious. I think out of my most expensive handbags, which would be Hermes, my Chanel, and the Givenchy, a few others, nothing except Coach a long time ago did that big beautiful cream colored box with the gold writing, and you open it and there's all this tissues like it should be, this big opening experience, like a department store experience. And that's what my Hammitt opening was. So if you're interested, be sure and go check out my Hammitt unboxing video. But this is Coach, and it came, now it is outlet, but to me, if you're still trying to build your brand, this isn't the way to do it. I totally forgot that I had done this. Actually, this matches my outfit, but I just switched back from my Coach Madras, which was an older Coach. I just feel like they used to do things differently. But this actually kind of goes with what I've got on. But I ordered this little spring bag a don't know, a few weeks ago. I don't know. And it came in. And I guess I did order the little pouch to go with it. This is not much of an unboxing experience. And some people would say, well, who cares? Well, if you're that person who would say that, there's no reason for me to explain it to you, because you wouldn't understand. Would you? Because you don't care. But for those of us who care, there is something really neat about a nice unboxing experience. So I'll just tell you, this isn't that. This is a plastic bag. And to protect the hand, remember on the Hammitt the other day? Now the dogs are going to go crazy. That's kids coming home from school or something. But that's my ring. But it's like pieces of paper. Now I understand. And the other one, it was like this really nice tissue paper, and it had these like white Velcro things to hold the handles together. It was such a nice unboxing experience. And I know this is an outlet store, and so you're not going to really get that same kind of a feeling. But if you're really trying to build back up the Coach brand, because it kind of suffered there for a while. This was comparable value of $328. I did not pay close to that. And part of the experience is I wanted this to be a small bag just for spring potties with the girls, which, you know, we're not really having. But if I did have one, this is just a really pretty spring bag. And what I loved about it was it had a pale leather handle, pale pink leather handle, and I just can't wait to see it. And it's that pull away, which I do like that. There it is. The pale pink leather. And the pale pink zipper. Yeah, I'm going to like that. This is just a fun bag. Nice, smooth. Let's see, Coach still does have quality, y'all, because that's a really nice, smooth leather. Zipper. There we go. Let's pull that off. Thank goodness that's an actual Coach imprint. They're really not doing much on their Coach tag, which was their signature kind of thing. So much so that they even had Coach tag jewelry, like earrings I got with Coach tag on it. I'm trying to get to this quickly because I want to see what's in this other one. I don't even remember ordering. Is that sad? I bet some of you like, Beth, you're really sad. You don't even know what you ordered. This is just the handle, I bet. Yeah. The shoulder bag. Shoulder strap, I mean. Yep, that's what it is. So, we will go ahead and see how that looks on the bag. I do like that this rips away so easily. And then there is this little plastic piece. And there we go. There's the little bag. And we want to go ahead and attach the shoulder strap because I definitely would use it. Definitely would. They did cover all of their hardware to make sure it doesn't get, you know, scratched. that got grabbed by one of these bracelets, one of the many bracelets I have on today. I'm just enjoying my jewelry today, and I know people are like, you're at home. I'm like, I know that, but I still enjoy it. They do have this little clip to make sure on the shoulder strap that nobody shoplifts, I guess, even in the warehouses or whatever, in case somebody says, oh, but I need that shoulder strap. But so this is really long, so I'm going to adjust it, but it's made to be crossbody. And for this outfit, it's perfect, because look, it matches what I'm wearing almost exactly. It's this creamy white with spring flowers, and it's got the same color tones. And it's small, so what I would probably do is take from my organizer and put in here only the things that I want for, you know, a day or two. I don't know. This is kind of a cute little bag. It's small. It's not like your everyday. This is an occasion type bag. For some of you, it may be. Actually, there's a lot of stuffing in here, and I will tell you, that's a lot of stuffing. That is actually a very deep bag, y'all. To be so little looking, it kind of reminds me of a Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 is what this reminds me of. Except it's easier to get into because it's wider. This thing about the Speedies is their hole in the middle, their opening is so small you can't get in it good. Now, even my Clover Sack small organizer will fit in here. And it's got one big pocket on this side, as you can see. And then it's got the Coach. It always has the Coach square down there. Y'all can see that. That has the serial number on it. And a zipper pouch. It's always on the zipper pouch. Oops. There's the little covering thing. Let's open the zipper pouch. Made in Cambodia. I guess that's where they've moved their operations to. And then, of course, you have your little Coach booklet to tell you how to care for it. So this is really cute. I like it. It's cute. I'm not crazy about these new tags. They have almost no substance to them whatsoever. It just looks like a piece of leather they took from the bag and printed it, and they're done. They used to be much more like a bag tag. This just kind of looks like a leather sample. It's oversimplified in my opinion, but very, very cute. Like it. The little grommets have the Coach emblem on it. Coach New York's there with that little Coach emblem, and I do like a lot. Love the rolled handles. Love the size. This is perfect. I could definitely use this for today. Alright, let's see real quickly. How much time do I have? Should I switch over to the next video is the question. We'll see. This looks like a Hammitt box. Have I got Hammitt on the brain? It is. Y'all look. You know how I can tell? This, it's kind of like a ribbed box. It's so pretty and nice. And that red strip. Oh my gosh. I don't remember. I already got the... It is a Hammitt. What did I get? I did, you know, I did order the wallet a while back, so I don't think I've ordered. Nice to meet you. Is that, what a difference in the unboxing experience. Oh my gosh. I love the unboxing experience of Hammitt's. What's in here? I almost can't stand it. What is it? What is that? Okay, this is to hold place. This is a something. Makeup bag. Oh, you know what? This was a gift with purchase. Oh, can't wait to see it. It's a clear Hammitt bag. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. You could even use that as a little summer handbag. Definitely a cosmetic bag. Or a COVID bag. You know, put all your COVID stuff in there and keep them in your purse. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. Oh my gosh, look, it even has that. Oh, it's that nice leather, that supple leather for the handle. Y'all. Okay, two completely different unboxing experiences. I'm not putting down Coach at all, except that I do think it used to be, back in the day, a much different experience. And I do realize that this was a an outlet. experience, not the store experience, but still. This is a gift with purchase, and look how nice. A leather pull. How's the zipper? Ooh, and this is the gunmetal zipper. Okay, you know I got the red zipper. This is the gunmetal. And I love it. And look, it's got Hammitt on it with little red threads. I love this. No kidding. That's a nice enough size. I'll put it on my face so you can see the size. That you could, if you wanted to, make this a date night bag. Just take it with you and put in your little Chanel mirror, blush mirror, your lipstick, your cell phone, and your keys. And I never put my wallet because my husband's taking me out so he can pay. I'm old fashioned. But I pay too. Sometimes I take him on a date and I pay for the whole dinner and I let him have a little beer and I'll drive so that he feels like he can enjoy himself a little beer while we're out. Oh my gosh, it's even got a nice little red leather tag in there. What does that say? Vintage 2020. Y'all, I am so impressed with this company. I think I'm going to call this a video, even though I started out showing you an unboxing of the Coach. And again, I don't mean to compare them, but I am. I may call this the Hammitt Surprise. I love it. I'm going to go put my makeup in it or something. I haven't figured out how I'm going to use it yet. But I'm going to go put it in my bag. And I'm so excited. And I'll talk to you all again soon. What a nice box. And their papers have little messages on them. I just love it. Nice to meet you. Talk to you later. Nice to meet you.